El Valle. Mira, que bonita. And oh yeah, it's a nice little roller coaster. Only done it once, it's a little sketch. This should be my public service announcement, you know? I was reading on a local board that I used to be on, still am, in Jacksonville, Florida, about a lady that got hurt. There's signs posted, but I guess she just went for it. Ended up leaving on a stretcher. When in doubt, dismount. Always. All right, back to the gibberish. Check it out. There's a split in the trail. Huh. Gotta figure out where that goes one day. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Digging this. Nar. Take the left. Nice and smooth. For Spain. Yeah. There's some good gnar here, guys. I'm digging this. Ah, caramba. Ooh, yeah. So Rambla in Spanish, I think I've said before, would be a dried out riverbed. I guess this was a small river. Whatever it was, it's obviously dried out. Very cool. Amazing how the scenery has changed. Huh. Surprisingly, these rocks, I'm not sliding all over the place. Yeah. Okay, looks like we're coming to the end of this riverbed. Got some natural burns and stuff, I like it. Ooh, yeah. Okay. The ground's changed again. Huh. God, this trail is awesome. This is fun. Ooh. Is this the end? Hope not. Kind of disappointing. Yeah. All right, now we got cool undulation. Let's go. Climb, baby. Climb. Yeah. Now we're back in some woodsy area. Okay. You know, I thought I did this trail once. I guess not. I would have remembered this. This one's fun. Oh, yeah. Hope the quality of footage turns out okay. I mean, shit. On my end, it's gonna be great. YouTube, stop killing me. Give my fans what they want. Dudes, ladies, gentlemen, this trail is raw. And we've reached the end. Oh, now we've got a hell of a climb. Hey, welcome back, guys. For the last couple months, I've been riding with this Feiyu WG2, this thing right here, the WG2, and pretty happy with it. This is not a full review. If you want to see a full review, there's guys out there like Jordan Boostmaster, BXMC, Run DMC, all of those guys have done a lot better job than I have, and they know this device a lot better than I do. I've only been using it a few months, and I feel safe. I can tell you what I feel about it and the things I've learned about it. Okay? But I'll put a link to those guys' video, and you can check it out if you really want something more in depth. All right, let's jump into this. I'm using a Hero 5 Session. I'm pretty happy with it. And the gimbal itself. It's not too heavy, looks pretty good. You got this button right here on the side. You hold it one time, beeps, turns on, gets the gimbal good to go. Okay, then we can do all the nice little movements we want to do, and it's going to stay pretty stabilized. So I'll show you guys real quick how I've been wearing it. I've been wearing the WG2 gimbal like this, okay? In the up position. There we go. Okay, so now I've got it all tight. Let's go ahead and put it on. Real cool feature that I do like is you can use an app, but you can actually just use your hand. You can set the GoPro wherever you like, in whatever angle. All right, so there is one feature that I tried to use this last time that I went out, and it's the panning feature. So if it works, because it does like to be fickle, you would hit this 4 times. The button. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beep. Now I can set this to this position I want. Let's just say right there. Hit the button one more time. It beeped. And then I can move this back. Let's just set the panning there. Hit the button again. Beep. And it's going to automatically pan. Now I have the timing set to pan slow. In the app that you can use, you can set the speed that you want it to pan. I have it set real slow because I was trying to test it with some switchbacks to see if I could get footage to make the videos look a little bit better, a little bit more interactive and things like that. And check out those clips right now. Mike. One more thing, I've been using the camera like this on my chest. And what I've noticed, as you can see in this video that I'm going to show right here, is the camera seems to not, it looks down for a second. It's not doing its job. And I'm thinking maybe if I had it like this, it would be better because now the camera's obviously down on the downside. The problem is you start to, bam, you lean too forward, and now you've got gimbal in your footage. And I believe BXMC has mentioned something similar to this. I could have said that wrong, but like I said, I have his link in the video. You can check it out. It's a lot better than mine. Okay, guys, that's all I really got. Thanks again for following. Thanks again for coming along with me in this journey. It's really awesome to have you guys here. I hope you guys are enjoying the things you see. So with that said, get up, get out, get gone, okay? By the way, I'm on Patreon too, so if you guys want to contribute to help this dream, to help this journey, hook a brother up, help a brother out. Anyway, okay, that's it. Look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Hasta luego.